Welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. Let's look at XRP. I'm going to talk about this in my live stream at 6 p.m. Central Time, but I do think we should look at it right now. Weekly time frame coming down to the downside. It's likely that if you do not get back above some key resistance levels, we are going to fall further downside. That is pretty obvious. I'm going to talk about those resistance levels are later in the video. Here's what gives me hope though. The 3-day time frame is making a higher low, but if you go down to the daily, that's oversold. That looks okay, right? Looks okay. But I could also see this as being a falling wedge. I'm just trying to give you both the bullish and bearish scenarios. It can no longer be a cup and handle anymore because the handle is basically as low as the cup, and that's not how that works. You know, the handle can't go as low as the cup, so it's no longer a cup and handle. But that could be a falling wedge here. We'll see what happens. But that's just what I see going on. I like on the daily you're holding the 21-day moving average, so that is going to act as support at below $1.92, and you also have support at the price level and a local low at $1.95. So I guess you could just say $1.95 is going to be support because by the time it goes back down there, the 21's going to go up a little bit more, you know. So we'll see what happens. The daily time frame is oversold. The 12-hour time frame, try to get the bounce, kind of lackluster if you ask me on the 12-hour. 8-hour is definitely trying to get a bullish engulfing candle, which if you don't give all that back, so far that is going to be bullish engulfing on the 6-hour as well. The 4-hour time frame, trying to get the bounce, again, like I just said. So it's likely that you can get the bounce here. And then obviously right here, you lost the pattern, but you got back in it, so you would just negate the fact that you ever lost the pattern. So to me, there's some good signs on the wall, short-term, smaller time frames for a move to the upside, definitely. Like even the 15-minute time frame right now is trying to make some kind of bull pennant. So I really like what I'm seeing on XRP. A massive resistance you must get above to remain bullish short-term is $2.40. If you cannot break 240, technically your next support is $1.95. And right now, this bull pennant here that you do have on the 15-minute time frame probably suggests that you can break that resistance at 240 or at least get back up there. Yeah, I suggest you get back to that resistance at 239. But now again, so if you break, I would say 228, you're going to go to 239 or 240. If you lose a level of 221, 222, then you are going to probably fall back to $1.95. If this, then that. Someone on TikTok was giving me crap because he said, "Oh, I said it was going to go up, but it didn't." But I also said in the same video, if you lose 240, you're going to go back to $1.63. Now, we did not go to $1.63, but you got the dump to the downside. You went to $1.95. So I'm not going to say I was completely right about that video, but I told you if this and that. I always give you if this, then that statements. So anyways, I'll be live at 6 p.m. Central Time. We'll probably go over this XRP thing again. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. And I'll see you guys in the live stream here in just a few moments. Cheers.